This video shows how to fold flour into a mixture. Folding in ingredients ensures that a mixture stays light and fluffy, as you've probably just whisked or beaten it to incorporate air. Sift the flour into the bowl, using the side of your hand to help. Using a metal spoon, gently cut through the mixture and fold it over in one smooth action. Rotate the bowl and repeat the folding action until all the flour or other ingredients are combined. Remember, fold using a metal spoon, cut through the mixture and fold over in one smooth action. Rotate the bowl and repeat. Do not overfold the mixture, as the air will be released.